Okay, hello everyone. Sorry for the delay. We had some technical issues. Now, let me see how many people have joined in. Okay, so I think without wasting any further time, let's begin. So, as you all know, today's our session is on skin brightening laser or a Q switch laser or carbon laser or blackout laser. There are so many names given to this particular treatment. Now, there are people who are little less aware about the different types of laser which are there in the market. Few of them are very well read and they are very well aware that what is Q switch laser. At the same time, there are few who are just aware with the word called laser, and they feel that laser is only for the hair removal and laser burns always. That is not the case. So here, coming to the treatment which we are going to discuss today is Q switch laser, which is a fractionated type of laser where the bigger size of the beam is used and lesser of the energy is used. So there are very less side effects attached to this laser and more of the benefits you can see. Now, this Q switch laser or laser toning, as we say, now it has multiple benefits on the skin. As we say, multiple benefits that includes brightening of the skin, lightening of the skin. You get to see the glow. You get to see the bleaching of the hair happening. All your black or brown hair, they turn golden. So your skin hardly has any visible hair on it. Then we have actually seen that in these many days there are people जिनकी skin और hair के ऊपर the sun exposure, stress and all the pollution has taken a toll, and they see the dullness on their face, they see pigmented patches, they see uneven skin tone. Everything comes down to one thing, that they need a brighter or a glowing skin. Now, this particular treatment helps in taking out the upper dead cell layer of your skin in very quick time. It takes away all the debris, it takes away all the dead cells, it takes away all the dirt or all the accumulated products on your skin. So now when we have to start this treatment, there are certain ways which we want you to follow. Now, just before the treatment, for say 7 days before the treatment, we don't want you to undergo any parlor activities. 3 to 4 days before the treatment, we don't want you to use any home remedies. There are few priming creams given to you by the doctor. Even they will be guiding you when to stop it. Then no other cosmetic products needs to be used on the same day. So these are certain guidelines which you have to follow if you are going for that treatment. Coming to the treatment day, this treatment will take hardly 20 to 25 minutes maximum. The number of shots which we give, that varies person to person. Also, this treatment bleaches your hair. So some people do call it laser bleaching. So this helps in those finer hairs on your skin which are called baby hairs, which are not actually optimum kind of hair for the laser hair removal, and you have been threading it or waxing it or removing it with any other way. That will be taken care by this treatment. Also, if you have any particular pigmented patches, if you are going to a reputed clinic or some therapist who are very well trained, you will get to know that when they do it on the pigmented spots, we do little extra work. We do take care of the debris or the dead cells on that particular pigmented patch. Also, giving in the process of giving you the even skin tone, we have to customize the laser shot and we have to customize the entire service according to your skin type. So, what I mean to say is that every single skin type can actually go for this treatment, be it darker skin tone, be it lighter skin tone, be it sensitive skin, being very thick skin, males, females, everybody can attain this treatment. It is just that the proper evaluation of your skin and proper evaluation of your concern is needed by the doctor. So that is one thing where you have to undergo a proper consultation before opting for the treatment. Coming down to the other benefits of this treatment, there are so many brides and grooms, or there are so many people people who have just come back from the vacations and they have got this tanning because of the beach vacation and they want a quick fix for this thing. And the brides and the groom, they want a quick fix before their wedding without having too much of time in their hand. At the same time, they don't want to spend too much. So this is one treatment which will give you a quick fix for a long run. It is not a kind of a facial which will give you a glow or even or brighter looking skin just for a week or say 2 to 3 days. The result will last up to 6 to 8 weeks. Even the hairs which have been bleached by this treatment, they will stay like that, or they will stay invisible for 6 to 8 weeks. So you are good to go. And coming to the post care or after this treatment includes taking a very good care on the same day of the treatment. You have to protect your skin from the sun because it is little sensitized, as we have taken all the debris and dead cells from your skin. We don't want you to undergo any parlor facials or any other home remedies or anything to be put on your skin for another 3 to 4 days, or sometimes we might have to give you a soothing cream if your skin is too sensitive, just to calm it down a little bit for the first 2 days. So those are individual variations which your doctor will be guiding you when they are evaluating your skin. Then there are so many people who are not aware of the other usages of this treatment, or sometimes they just simply know that a laser removes tattoo. So this is the same laser which removes tattoo. This is the same laser which also helps in removing your birthmarks, be it on your face, be it on your back, be it on the any other body areas. So these multiple benefit of this single laser is something that will help you on the long run. Somebody who is having even a port wine stain kind of a patch on the face, or somebody having a really dark grayish pigment, so everything can be treated with this laser. And as far as you guys should be aware of the side effects of this laser, I would like to say there are no side effects. There is no downtime. It's a very quick fix treatment. Somebody having very sensitive skin can actually have little bit of redness for the first few hours. So that's the only thing we would want you to take care of. And obviously we don't want you to put the makeup immediately post the treatment. That can clog your pores. And yeah, these are just the basic rules which we advise you to follow after any cosmetic treatment which you undergo by the doctor. So this is all about Q-switch laser toning and brightening. I would just say that the machine what we have is USFDA approved machine. The protocols which we follow, they are very strict. The care of the hygiene care which we take, it is at the optimum level. Somebody who is visiting the clinic, they are already aware of it, and somebody who wants to take a trial of it, they can always come and visit the clinic. Now, I will just quickly switch to the question answers because we have been running a little late today. So let me just quickly go through this. Hello. I can see so many highs and hellos. Hi, Ahan, that's my son. Okay, okay, I have a question here which says, is this procedure safe? As I mentioned, it's absolutely safe. Who to expect with this treatment, and is there any downtime after the treatment? As I said, if the skin is very sensitive, there could be a little bit of redness for maybe 2 hours, that's it. And yeah, we do give soothing creams if required, so no downtime as such. How this treatment is different from normal brightening treatment? As I said, that all the other brightening treatment, be it chemical peel or be it facial, they have, facial being no downtime treatment will have a very lesser period of the glow, what you can see. If you see chemical peel, it has a downtime of 7 to 10 days, and obviously that will give you, the result will last for say a month or two. With the Q-switch, if you take regular sessions, the result can last up to many months. So that's the longevity of the results is the most important benefit of this treatment. I have another question which says, what is this laser toning procedure? Will the hair which is converted to brown color will stay like that permanently? No, it does not stay like that permanently. It stays like that for 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. That's 1.5 to 2 months. Is there is a minimum number of sessions that one needs? See, that depends on your need and your concern. If somebody is just doing it as a part of regular skin care, they don't need they need to take it like on a regular interval multiple times. And somebody who is concerned with a particular pigment on their face or a particular patch, they can take it 2 to 4 sessions, 6 sessions, 8 sessions, depending on the depth of their pigment. So it absolutely depends on what are your needs. Then I have another question which says, I have an uneven skin tone. Will this help? Yes, this is one of the best treatment when it comes to uneven skin tone. What is the assurance of the result? As I mentioned, the assurance of the result depends on your needs. If somebody having melasma, that is a very deeper pigment deposited on the very deeper layer of your skin, in that case, we give a very fair expectation from the very beginning that it can lighten it down up to a level, and if it is just the beginning of a pigment deposition, it can actually be reversed completely. But that depends on person to person. Also, there are so many other factors attached to the pigmentation. There are genetics, there are lifestyle factors, then there are nutritional factors, then there are stress levels, then there are hormones involved. So it's a very holistic way to treat a pigment, but yes, it does help. Even if it may not help it to go completely, it will lighten it down, that is for sure. So every pigment is like needs to be treated and addressed very differently. How many days before a big day like party or get together should one get this laser toning done? Like facials give glow after 2 to 3 days. I would advise that you can get this thing done 24 hours before, because if at all the skin is too sensitive, you will have to give 3 to 4 hours and the next day everything is gone. So 24 hours is the ideal thing, or at least 12 hours. As you said, this machine is used for tattoo removal. Is the treatment painful for tattoo removal? See, when it comes to tattoo, a doctor needs to evaluate the entire image of the tattoo, right from the color which was used, the ink which was used, the deposition of the ink in the superficial and deeper layers. Sometimes they do overlapping of the ink in certain sort of images, and they do use multiple different colored inks like red, yellow, blue. So whenever we are treating a tattoo, we have to evaluate the tattoo, because certain colors will go completely, certain colors will only fade out, and certain colors will not respond at all. So that we have to evaluate when we are seeing the tattoo. And whenever we treat the tattoo, we have to numb the skin, because without numbing it can be little painful, but once we numb your skin, you don't feel a thing, that is for sure. Is this laser toning treatment only for the face? No, it can be done on your different body parts. It can be done as a back shine treatment. It can be done to take away the tan from your hands, your legs, your underarms. It can be done on the entire body also. We do the full body laser also when it comes to even out the full body skin tone. Pigmentation हमेशा के लिए चला जाता है क्या? As I said, every pigment is different. We need to evaluate your pigment. There are certain pigments जो हमेशा के लिए जा सकते हैं, but there are certain pigments जो treatment के साथ fade होंगे, but it will come back if it is attached with your hormones or if it is attached with your genetics. I can see so many questions and I'm missing out on some of those. I'm trying to cover maximum. I have a colored tattoo on my arm and looking to get rid of it. Is it fully removed with your machine? As I said, that if it is a colored tattoo, we need to evaluate the colors which have been used in your tattoo. Also, Sometimes some colors fade up to 80-90% of 80-90% extent, but then there will be a shadowing effect, or we call it as ghost effect of the tattoo, where you will see the little bit of shadowing, a little bit of pigment still left in the very deeper layer of the skin, which will give you a ghost effect where you can just see a faded outline or a faded picture of that tattoo image, but you can't see it the original way. Can men in their 40s go for this treatment? My uncle has uneven tan face due to suntans. As I said, males, females, irrespective of their age group, they can actually undergo this treatment. Only exception would be pregnant and breastfeeding females. Otherwise, it's equal for every age and both the genders. They can avail this treatment. What treatment to look for darker areas of body like under thighs and underarms? As I said, you can get this laser treatment done for your underarms and under thighs. It may take couple of sessions, and it can lighten it up to an extent, but yes, we can fix this with this treatment. But that also depends that the pigmentation in your inner thigh is because of any fungal infection, any post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Like there are so many conditions which gives you darker inner thighs or darker underarms. We need to evaluate the clinical conditions as well. Are the results permanent after completing the recommended course? See, nothing is permanent in this world, but when we are talking about birthmarks, when we are talking about tattoo removal, those are the things which can be removed permanently. But when we are talking about pigments, when we are talking about giving you the radiant and brightened or the glowing skin, you have to take it on a regular basis to maintain those results. Otherwise, the result will last for a couple of months, and obviously, the nature is going to follow its own course. So then you might see that the dead cell layer has come back again, and you might have to take it off to see that radiant glow again. I know someone taking Q-switch treatment. Is the technology used the same everywhere? See, Q-switch machines, they are available with different probes. They are available with different technologies, and there are certain companies which are USFDA approved. There are certain companies which are not. There are certain devices which are very cheaper in quality, and rather than giving you the results, they will end up giving you all the complications and the side effects. So, the repute of the clinic and the doctor and the person doing it matters a lot. The machine which we use matters a lot. So, find somebody or find a machine which you can trust completely. Not every Q switch machine is USFDA approved. Hi doctor, I have dry skin and mild pigmentation on my cheeks. Is this treatment recommended for me, and how many sessions required? See, if you have dry skin, we would like to analyze the cause of that dryness. There could be some products which you are using which is giving you the dryness, or your skin is dry since the beginning. Then we have to balance out the moisture, and then we can give you this treatment. Any sort of abnormality in your skin, be it excessive oily or be it excessive dry, we need to fix it to a level where we can actually perform the treatment. So the basic evaluation would be done, but yes, as I said, every skin type can take this treatment, so you can actually avail this treatment. I have a question from Pooja saying how many treatments will be necessary. I have already mentioned that you might have to take number of sessions, but it depends if you are looking for a quick fix before a wedding day, or if you are looking for a quick fix before a big vacation, which is not going to happen soon. But yeah, then a single session would do. How often can I do Q-switch laser? See, if there are people, there are so many clients of ours, they come and say that we are addicted to Q-switch laser. When they use this word addicted, it actually conveys a message that they are so fond of seeing the glowing skin or the radiant skin, that they do end up taking it very regularly. So, as an answer of this as an answer of this question, how often can I do Q switch? I know so many people who have been taking it since 10 years, 15 years, since the technology was developed, and they have been taking it very regularly every 2 months, every 1 month, and they're very happy with the results. So it completely depends on you. If the more frequently you take it, the open pores, fine lines, wrinkle, pigmentation, everything will be taken care for a longer run, and you will see a very healthy skin. I just missed out a couple of questions. I'm trying to cover as much as I can. Is it painful? No, it is not painful. It is if you're taking it with carbon or without carbon. Yes, I would like to introduce this one thing. There is a thing called carbon emulsion, which we put it on your face, and the heat of the laser will vaporize the debris and dead cells from your skin, so it becomes little more effective. At the same time, it becomes little less painful, and in general the pain is hardly an end bite kind of a thing. Like, none of my patients have complained for the pain. It's very bare minimum pain, and everybody is able to bear it. So that's not, let's call it painless only. That's what it is. Are the result permanent? I've already answered that. How many sessions are required for the face? That again depends on the concern, what we are um, treating the face for. Thank you, doctor, for solving my problem. How much does it cost? See, the cost varies sometimes, but there are some minimum cost and there are some discounts going on and off with the clinic. You can contact our clinic, or you can send us a message or send us a query on the Facebook. You will be guided towards the cost thing. Neha is saying I'll book a session and will recommend to my friends also. She has to attend a wedding. Absolutely, most welcome. And yeah, I think that is it. It was wonderful seeing you all today. And sorry again for the delay. There was some technical error, and we tried fixing that for a long time, and finally we were here. Yeah, so this is Dr. Ashini from CD Almeida by Clinic Dermatech Ahmedabad. Let us know if you wish to see any other procedures, details, or you want to see any particular live sessions with us. We'll be more than happy to have you, and we will be solving all your queries over the phones, Facebook, Instagram, messages, whatever mediums possible. Thank you. It was lovely having you all. Thank you, Neha. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Take care, be safe, stay home.